From WBIF and WBIE, the following includes important weather information from the National Weather Service. Listen carefully so you can take action.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Sullivan County until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed tornado was located over Flat Rock, or near Robinson, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and golf ball-size hail. A tornado has been confirmed by emergency management. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southern and central Sullivan County. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Sullivan, Indiana,